fits like a thumb in a bum. Get us there. Get us to 1,000. Tell your mum. How'd you go, Kiwi?
Is Becky and yours?
Hey, Joe.
Hello.
Hey, Kiwi dog. Hello, Kiwi. Rise and shine, sleepyhead. Good morning, Zach.
Hey. You can almost jump up on the bed.
Yeah.
Almost.
Is that good or bad?
It's
Hey,
cute either way.
No biting. All right. See you at the bus.
All right, guys. So Jeremy's just putting some blocks in underneath. I don't know if you can see. But...
yeah, just a couple little supports there. Oh, shit.
I feel like I was just doing this yesterday.
Kiwi, 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 Kiwi. Can we open the fridge yet? Can we open the fridge yet? Can we open the fridge? Simmy, can we open the fridge now? It's been sitting there for ages.
Is there going to be another puppy in there? Do you reckon?
I don't know. It's been shut for about 2 months.
There's
Poor
no
puppy.
air holes.
No. Yes, it is exciting. Are we ready? Let's go. What's it look like? Oh shit, not another one.
What do you two reckon about this, hey? What do you two reckon? Just kidding. Here's the real fridge that is stuck together, so I can't open it, but we're going to open it up and have a look at it now.
Yes. Anyway, so that's him. Got the little key and everything in there. We're going to leave it because I will lose it. But anyway, simple as. Lock, that comes through. Locks both the fridge and the freezer. It's your friend in the fridge. So we're getting heaps done. All these little jobs, and it's starting to take shape. Like that hot water system's pretty much done now. We just unboxed the fridge, and yeah, it's cool. It's just sitting there. Like, we haven't mounted it or anything, obviously, but yeah. And we do have crap everywhere except for this fella. Hey, Simmy. And your little blue eye. Yeah, but other than that, we're just tackling things as we see them. So we're just probably looking at maybe boarding that up now. This thing here, Jill and I have been talking about it for ages. We're probably going to look at maybe ripping that out.
We keep avoiding it, but I figure if we leave it until it's done, it's probably full of red dust like the rest of the roof was.
So we're going to rip that out because we're going to make like a more storage, so that'll all be storage down there, and it'll be heaps of room because that's quite deep. I'd say it's like 1.5 meters, and then we'll have it probably 40 to 50 centimeters deep as well from the roof. So that's all good, but yeah, when we do it, I don't know.
We never see it anymore, and I'm searching for riches in the pitch black sky. Is it so criminal to wonder why it's too weird?
Good work,
We
team.
never smile like we were last year. We cranked the stereo and disappear. Now it's so difficult and it ain't clear why I didn't know it was still
Very good.
growing up.
Did you hear Leighton Hewitt in the background out there back? Leighton Hewitt just won a rally. Come on.
I got some sunscreen.
Good. Sun smart.
Back to the basics. Back to the basics. Heart to heart. We never had to second guess that spark. Coming to terms is the hardest part. Yeah, it's so critical.
Getting rid of all the good bits so we can clean up some more rust. I believe that was the old aircon unit and that, and if it wasn't, shit. And Oh well, she's all good, but yeah, so we're just gonna yeah, take this out and clean up some rust and then put some insulation in, work on a wall and all that sort of stuff. But anyway, back to Jill's cleaning up the front. I'm at the back, she's at the front. Cool kids sit at the back.
Yeah, it's super interesting down here. I'm doing a whole lot of nothing. Literally just wiping everything, but
Get out of here.
what are those?
What's that? Oh, they're from the shotgun. They're either from the shotgun or someone's just spot welded up 20-cent coins to the back of the bus. To be honest with you, I don't have a clue what they are.
What are you doing, Kiwi dog? Hello? What are you doing? Coming for pets? You're a good boy.
From one extreme to the other, down the other end. What are we doing, Simmy?
What are you doing, Simbos? Hey? Two lazy dogs.
One lazy woman. Nah, sweet as, getting a bit more done. It's good. Happy. I'm off to Sydney actually, as Mark Holden would say. You're going to Sydney. I'm going to Sydney in 2 days. So get a little bit more done here and then yeah, I'll be off down there. I've got to run these songs again this afternoon once we finish on the bus. So try and get as much done as we can so I can get these songs punched out. And then that'll do us for the week, I think. But it's been good. Hello. Hello. Hey.
So, I don't
sandwich. Vegemite.
I don't trust it.
Give us a look. Yeah, bro. Awesome. Alright, so we've got another little thing for the bus that Nana got Gilly for her birthday last week, so we might go and unbox that too, I think. Here, Zach, you hold on to him.
What is it?
Oh, damn it. It says twin tub. I thought it said hot tub. Wouldn't that be the ticket, having a hot tub in the back of the bus? See? Alright. Let's take her over to the bus. It's been like Christmas today, hasn't it, Zach?
Mm-hmm. She a bit heavy?
Nah, it's alright, actually. All this unwrapping and unboxing.
And taping her up and...
Very cool. Let's go check it out, eh? Alright, it's hot tub time. I mean, twin tub.
Twin tub, hot tub.
Have you any will?
You sort the box and I'll sort out the...
We're getting a hot tub.
Yeah, man, we're getting a hot tub.
Is that actually a hot tub?
Well, you're the only one that'd be able to use it as a hot
It's
tub.
a hot tub. No, it's a washing machine.
It's a twin tub, little
It's a
washing
twin
machine.
It's got the washing side and the spinning side.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Sick.
Someone says lift me
How
up
good's
so
that?
then you
Thanks,
can,
Nana.
both can turn it on.
Thanks,
and
Nana. That was my
Thanks,
birthday present.
Sick as. So,
I could use that.
yeah.
You could start doing the washing.
Yeah, Zach, the washing girl.
That can be your job on the road, eh?
Yes. I could be the one. Hey, there's even pipes and...
Well, yeah.
All sorts of tricky
Stuff
little
to make
things.
it work.
So, a little washing machine, she just fits like a thumb and a bum on that little wheel well. It's perfect. So I was just saying to Gilly, I'll pop 2 runners there, like your drawer runners. Pop it there with a pin or something in it. We just open up the door, back towards here, and then just grab him, slide him straight out so we can open these up. Because yeah, the toilet will be all here. We're not gonna, we could cut through there, because that wasn't too difficult, but at the same time we did see a setup where old mate had his little cassette, and he just had a door on the outside of his toilet. He just opened the little latch and then just grabbed the cassette out, and I thought, you know, saves cutting another hole in the side of the bus. And yeah, it's fine as long as you don't get the poopies everywhere. Should be sweet. But anyway, alright guys, thanks heaps for watching. We just punched out heaps of odd little jobs in the bus, and pretty happy with the...
Yeah, little things that we've been meaning to do, but we just sort of put off, so...
Yeah. Anyway, that's us. Make sure you subscribe, all of that stuff. We're almost at 1,000, so get us there. Get us to 1,000. Tell your mum. She'll sub. And anyway, I'm off to Sydney. See yous in a week. Bye.
Bye.